Hello everyone. So in this video we have a question. X raised to power x is equal to 25 and we need to find the value of x. So whenever we have these types of questions, there is a method that if you somehow get x raised to power x is equal to, if we get 5 raised to power 5, then x will be equal to 5. But we know that 25 is not equal to 5 raised to power 5. It is 5 raised to power 2. So we cannot equate x raised to power x with 5 raised to power 2, right? So we cannot do this. So what should we do to solve these types of questions where we are given x raised to power x is equal to something that we cannot express in something raised to power something, right? So in this type of questions, what do we do? First of all, we know that 2 raised to power 2, if we see, what is 2 raised to power 2? It is 4, right? What is 3 raised to power 3? Because it is x raised to power x, right? Both of these are same. So 3 raised to power 3 is 27. What is our value? Our value is 25. That lies between somewhere between 4 and 27. So the x will be somewhere between 2 and 3, right? Because 2 raised to power 2 is 4, 3 raised to power 3 is 27. So x lies somewhere between 2 and 3. We know this thing, but we do not know how to calculate, okay? So let us start. First thing, whenever we have power as a variable, power as x or t as a variable, what do? We take natural log both sides. Taking natural log both sides. Okay. When we take natural log both sides, what can we write? It will be is equal to log x raised to power x is equal to log 25. Right? Okay. So when we have log x raised to power x, do you know that log of a raised to power b is equal to b log a? This power comes here. Okay. So this will become x log x is equal to log 25. Right? Okay. After this, what can I do? Now we have this thing. We need to do something to find out x. Now in these types of questions, what do? We apply Lambert W function. Lambert W function. What is that function? This function says that when we apply Lambert W function on something like this, a e raised to power a, that means like we have same thing in the power of e and same thing as a coefficient of e. Okay, like this, a is equal to a. Whenever we solve this thing, we get a. Okay, so can I somehow write this x log x in the form of a e raised to power a in exponential? Do you know that e raised to power log x is actually equal to x? Okay, so what will I do here? This x can be written as e raised to power log x times log x is equal to log 25, right? And can I write it as this? Log x I will write here and then e raised to power log x here and is equal to log 25. Now if you see this, I have this kind of expression only, like something here, and that's the same thing is in the power of e. So what will I do now? I will apply Lambert function. Apply Lambert W function. What will I get? I will get log x times e raised to power log x. I applied on left hand side. W of log 25 I applied on right hand side, right? So left hand side will become log x, right? Because a e raised to power a is actually is equal to a when we apply Lambert function is equal to w of log 25. Okay, then I have here log x and I have here this. So I want to eliminate this x. What should I do? I should take exponential on both sides. Okay. So what can I do? I can take both of these in the power of e. What will this become? Left hand side will become x and right hand side is e raised to power w log 25. You need to have this table for that to find out the value of this, or you can find out with the help of scientific calculator as well, but this is a constant. Okay, so x will approximately be equal to value of this thing, the right hand side you will get 2.963. so x is what? 2.963, and this verifies that x lies between 2 and 3, right? So I hope you understood this. If you liked it, do subscribe to my channel, and you can visit my channel for many such videos, Maths Olympiad questions, conceptual videos and short tricks. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.